everybody and welcome back to my channel. Very excited this morning because this episode is all about travelling down to Williamstown on the Williamstown ferry from South Bank. So we booked the tickets for 10:30 a.m. this morning, so we're going to round up the troops and get ready for this expedition. So if you are interested to see Williamstown, which is a suburb south of Melbourne, I think that's right, south of Melbourne, then please keep watching. So we're on the train, waiting for the train to go down into the city. From the city we'll be over onto South Bank. We'll be catching the Williamstown ferry to go to Williamstown. So that's the update, so please stay tuned. So we're at South Bank at the moment, so we're going to go and have a coffee before the boat departs. We've got about 20 minutes to spare, so coffee time first, then get on the boat, and then we're off to Williamstown. Thankfully, it's not raining, so fingers crossed that we'll get there before the rains come down. Coffee's on the go, coffee's about to arrive, and as soon as I drink this coffee and get ourselves all together, then we'll head back down to the berth, put Mum onto the actual ferry, and then we're on our way. made it to Williamstown, and it's turned out to be a very beautiful day. The sun is out. We had a bit of a sea spray, but nothing too major to make us go inside the ferry. And now we're going to have a bite to eat and then catch the next ferry back to South Bank. So all in all, it's been a very pleasant ferry ride down to Williamstown. So that concludes the video for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this scenic cruise from South Bank down to Williamstown. We were lucky enough not to have any rain, and the sun is out shining, so it's been a glorious day. So on that note, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. This ferry is about to arrive and we're on our way home. So once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.